Welcome back and thanks for staying with us.
And a very special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the details of an online car scam believed to be bilking unsuspecting victims of hundreds of thousands of dollars.
The new scheme has gained renewed concerns about how easily persons are defrauded.
Anthony Lugg has the details.
It was a deal too good to be true. A 2008 Toyota Isis for under $500,000. The Instagram page looked legitimate, so we proceeded to call the numbers advertised for Dean Motor Sales. Little did we know, it was all a scam.
All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you the JN and also my staff Scotia information. So in case if you don't get you the JN, I can get you with the Scotia.
No problem.
But that's not all. They also wanted an identification card. We played along to see how far this would take us and even promised to transfer the deposit of $150,000 to secure the vehicle.
Once you confirm that the payment is complete, we'll write up a receipt along with an invoice sent to you on WhatsApp and also to your email. So you know you'd have come in with the remaining balance along with the invoice that I'll provide you with on WhatsApp.
So, because I'm just a couple of minutes away from the toll,
we get what you're saying, man, but I just the people, because I whole heap of people I come about it same way, and I come from Ochi, I come from Wolaba, I tell them say it doesn't make any sense because it's more than one people are coming on it. So at the end of the day, it's first come, first serve. So we only give you the benefit of the doubt, you can make a cash in advance payment on it.
Our curiosity further piqued, which prompted us to drive to the location. A car mart was there, Dean's Motor Sales Limited. But not the person we spoke with. The owner is extremely concerned about the ongoing scam using his business name.
For the past couple of weeks, we have had a large amount of customers coming here, read the same thing. So it's getting from bad now to worse.
Interestingly, while on location, we also met a man who came to view a vehicle he saw online.
Well, I was scrolling through TikTok and I saw this short video and I reached out to the number that is on the short video, and the person said that it's available, and hence I viewed the vehicle just to find out that it's a scam.
The price is so ridiculous. Oh, on God's earth, you can get a 2013 CRV for 1.3 million. Unless it doesn't have an engine or a transmission. It is not possible.
Over time, scammers have been getting more creative as they prey on unsuspecting victims. In previous interviews, the police have expressed difficulties nabbing perpetrators as a number of cases go unreported. Brian Foster is the managing director of Foster Cars JA.
It has been happening for a time, but it has been more in central Jamaica, and then it has been, for want of a better word, exported to Kingston. And the Kingston dealers, they are aware of it. They are doing their best to work around it.
He's urging potential buyers to do their due diligence before making a purchase.
Yeah. If you call a dealership and you speak to somebody, get their name. Make sure you keep the contact number. So when you come to the location, you know, I have come to this agent, because there are agents here. I have come to this agent to look at this particular car. You understand? Right? And then I urge customers also, if you're going out there and you're going to buy a car privately, let's just say from a homeowner, you either go and meet at a police station or somewhere where you know it is safe.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.